Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm 34,000 feet and negative 36 degrees. Wow. So guys, in case it's your first time, hit that subscribe button and welcome to this community. Lots of travels coming up. Just landed today and gotten off the airport. I'm so tired. So guys, in case you're coming here, I think my advice would be ask your people to pick you up. But anyway, the transport system here is super good. It works. We used a train from the airport to some other station called Conavin. Then from Conavin, again we used another train to walk to get us to some place close to our hotel. We got lost at some point, but guys, we are over 18. We just had to find our way. Tuko na over 18. Gava imetutrust, imetupea ID, ikatupea passports, tukapewa hadi visa. Unaendaje kupotea country ya wenyewe? Who does that? So we actually really had to find our way, and here we are, guys. So I'm just looking forward to have one of the best and amazing 3 weeks of my life here in Geneva. And you know what, guys? I'll have fun and I'll keep you updated, and just enjoy this video. Toodles. So guys, this is my hotel room. It has a wooden floor and I liked the color of the door. You have a sign on the door. I think it says silent or something. So that's what is written on the room, but I'm not sure that's what was charged because my hotel room was paid by someone else. Glory to God. So I never got to know what this is until the last day, and I think it's a water heater. And I asked my friend and they really laughed at me. So here is my bags. I just landed with 2 suitcases. So guys, don't laugh at me. I overpacked because I thought it would be very cold, but it is still in summer. So next to the door is a closet. This hotel was giving me old school vibes. So the closet was wooden. When I arrived, I just hung my jacket. There are some hangers there for you to hang your clothes. There was somewhere you could put your shoes just down at the floor. Not at the floor, at the bottom. There's a spare blanket. I think it's a fleece blanket. So it was very good. I didn't feel so much cold during the night. So that door goes to the bathroom. And guys, I loved the aesthetic of the bathroom. There we have, I'm able to give you a good view of the 2 beds. Oh, I don't know if they were expecting me to, I don't know, but I was happy that there could be 2 beds. I could just jump on one bed today and the next on the other one. So I also loved the lampshade. As you can see, even the headboard for the bed is just old school vibes. So it's 416. It's for 13 here. on a Sunday, and guys, the sun is up there. Is up there. It almost looks like noon. I'm happy there was this phone. You can call this phone to the reception, and it was really nice to have that. I also love this beautiful piece of art on the wall. I also like the color of the hotel, of the wall anyway. So that door goes to the balcony area. Guys, I love lighting. So I'm so happy that I could get these rooms specifically, because sometimes I will just come, and I would appreciate to just come and stand outside and watch the traffic. There's also this very big dressing mirror. Ooh, look at your girl. Look at your girl. Look at your girl. Yes. So I'm so happy there is this dressing mirror. So you can see from the mirror, there's also a reading table with two seats. And guys, that is also a spare bed. So later on, I came to understand that this is a family room, guys. It's a family room. So, guys, you can come with your whole family. And another thing, that is the socket for Switzerland. So you might need to get an adapter, especially if you have an iPhone. I struggled to charge my phone at the beginning, but I got an adapter. There's also a TV, but my low light was, I don't know, maybe my friends, my subscribers from Switzerland helped me to know. I don't know if Netflix is not available in Switzerland or not. I didn't get to know because I really struggled. Yeah, Wi-Fi was also a challenge, but anyway, I enjoyed. We also have a hair dryer, so you won't really struggle to get to make your hair. There is this dustbin. I had just disposed my can of water from my flight from Dubai. Yes, and this is a thing I think you can place your suitcase on, so that your room does not look messy. So yeah, that's the TV over there. Another piece of art, the door. And now, guys, let's go to the bathroom. Let's go to the bathroom and see. Ooh, see the first instant. I like the presentation. I like the presentation. So we have the switch over there. I already love the lighting. I love the aesthetics. The tissue paper there, your hygiene things, the two towels. I thought they thought I don't know why there were two things in my room, but it's fine. So Hotel de Geneva. I hope we fixed that flash. I hope that flash was fixed, but anyway, I endured. It was not a big deal for me, but it would be for someone else. So this is a bathroom floor mat. So it's a toilet and bathroom at the same time. So I would put it on the floor and just step on it immediately after the shower. One thing I love about this sink, you're able to get hot and cold water at the same time. There's also a dustbin for the toilet, for the bathroom. Again, two things, two glasses. Anyway, maybe I was supposed to get someone here. I don't know. Two. Yes, the bathroom, the bathing, is this a bathing soap? No, I think it's a face or hand wash soap. A sapon. So that's a shower cape for showering. I really appreciated that we could get this in the hotel, as I forgot to carry mine. So I was very happy. I think this is a hand dryer again. Someone laughed at me when I asked what this was, but it's fine. So guys, this is the bathing area, the bathroom. I like the curtain. And another thing, a hand hose. a handheld shower. Oh my, this was just very nice. Very, very nice. The shower is small. It's a one-man shower. So, oops, sorry. So as you can see, there's also the shower gel there, or the bathing, yeah, shower gel there. So I realized I actually didn't really need to carry my soap. So that was also another highlight for me. So guys, enjoy this view. Enjoy this view. And let me tell you, this is one of the best and most affordable budget friendly hotels when you're visiting Geneva. Also forgot to tell you guys that they have they have a machine with drinks or something. So yeah, if you're going to Geneva and you're on a budget, this is the hotel to be. To be. So now guys, it's time. Let's go to the balcony. Let's go to the balcony. Oh, oh my, I can't believe this. So it's very simple. It's very simple. No tiles, just concrete and very strong metal bars. Just on the balcony, I see the road. So where you're seeing the cars from going to, or on that other side there are some green signposts, is my bus to go to the nations. I love the trees. I love the buildings. You know, this is what I used to see on movies. And so just seeing this with my own eyes was really, really amazing, guys. Honestly, I can't tell you the feeling I'm having right now. This was very nice. The roads are very good. The transport system works. Oh my God. Minister of Transport, why haven't you visited Geneva right now and implement this in Kenya? Oh my God, let me tell you guys, one highlight of my stay in Geneva and the location of this hotel is it's also the the suitability to get buses or trams, and I don't have to stress about kuitisha kondas nini change, because the hotel de Geneva gives you a free transport card. Like guys, when you're staying in this hotel, you will not need to pay for a tram or a bus as long as you're within, is it Geneva or Switzerland? Thank you for watching this video. And wewe, you who is watching and have not subscribed, can you make sure you hit that subscribe button, share, like this video, and please invite a friend. Let's grow this community. You never know the next country I'm visiting, and I'll give you some nice hacks. So I hope you guys have noted about the charging ports. I think those are some of the informations you need when traveling, and sometimes these things are not very available. So I think when you're coming, you need an adapter with those 3 pins. When I get to buy my adapter, I'll get to show you guys. Luckily, by God's grace, I had this Oraimo power bank. So it's really serving me well. So I last charged it before I left home. That was on Saturday. I've used it like twice and it's still at 75%. The only thing I'm struggling is I've not been able to get a short. I have this Type-C short cable. I just wish I could get a short iPhone cable like this. This cable is too long, so it's really But anyway, it's doing the work. As you guys can see, I was charging 2 phones. It's really doing a good job. So I'm not paid to market for Oraimo, but they have good things. They are legit and they are quality. So guys, thank you for watching. See you in the next video.